There is this supplier on 1688 app that some of you have been screenshotting their page. You send it to my WhatsApp DM and you're asking me, Oni, is this seller legit? They sell bags and their prices are ridiculously cheap, right? They sell quality bags according to the page there. And some of you are like, Oni, can I buy? Can I do this? Can I do that? The prices are cheap. Can we trust them? Reason is because their MOQ is quite high. You cannot buy two, you cannot buy sample. They sell wholesale deal from 50 pieces upwards. So some of you have been sending me this screenshot and you're asking, and I decided to come do this video so that everybody can be informed. So please, if you know you're into importation from China and you buy stuff using 1688 app, I need you to watch this video to the very end. Reason, you're going to learn a lot from this video. How to, view suppliers and ensure that you're buying from legit suppliers. The red flags or the red marks you should see when you're buying from a supplier, and that should tell you that supplier is a no-go area. Watch this video to the very end. You're going to be very, very glad you did. So before I go into it, if you're new here, you're welcome to the channel, my people. My name is Onyi Omura, and here on this channel I create content on how to start and grow a profitable business, how to import from China, sell in Nigeria or any African country. I go in depth to teaching you how to use Facebook, Instagram and other social media platforms to sell out your products fast. That is all we're about on this channel. So if you're interested in videos like this, do ensure you subscribe to this channel, be a part of this family. So without any further ado, straight into the video of the day. I'm going to be sharing my phone screen with you all so you all can see what I'm talking about and follow up closely, right? So here or here, you're going to see my phone screen on the screen. So I've been getting lots of screenshots from this particular store. If we go down the store, you can see that they sell, judging by the pictures and the videos we are seeing, you can see that they sell quality bags. Their bags are quality. Let's go to the store directly. Once I click on the store and then we click on the product, they have over 80 plus designs of handbags. They sell specifically handbags, so you can see they have different design. And looking at these pictures, you would agree with me that these are quality leather bags. Can you see? They are well structured standard bags, as you can see. But the price, isn't it funny? To me, I think the price is somehow, but you can still see that they have number of sales. Like this particular one, that the price is 11.36 RMB. They've sold over 200 pieces of that bag, telling you by this number that people are actually buying and that this price is actually correct. Right now, you've seen the page I'm talking about. Going back to the home page of this particular bag, you can see the one I clicked on. Can you see? Let me show you a more detailed picture of this bag. This is what the bag I clicked on looks like. It is a vest bag. It is a vest bag, a brand bag, and you can see, in fact, if you go through their page, you would notice that they sell vest bag, Bako by Chris Bella bags. Those are the brands of bags you will see on their page. And guys, as somebody that has been in bag business for a while now, and I know that this particular Chinese company that has this brand, this vest, Bako by Chris Bella, they have their branch office here in Lagos at Lagos Island Market. They have their branch office there. In fact, they have their page on Instagram. If you go and type Chris Bella bags on Instagram, you will see their verified page on there. They sell their bags to wholesalers alone. They don't sell to end users. Now, if you know the original source of this bag, if you know their store, right, you will know that these prices here are rubbish. These prices here are scammed prices. These prices here are lies. They are complete lies. And you know how you can easily detect this? Just seeing this price, 12.4, approximately 2,000 plus. Like, you're going to buy this bag for 2,000 plus. Some of you will believe, and some of you will even try to buy. No, at some point your conscience will not tell you, but babe, check this price now. It don't make sense. That thing is telling you, check this price now. It don't make sense. You still don't agree. You want to buy. So I'm gonna say, when you have been thinking to buy, but I've been looking at the price. If that spirit that is telling you, the spirit of God, trust me, that spirit doesn't want you to lose your money. Now, apart from that, apart from the price is not making sense, the price is not adding up, you will move down. When you move down, you'll see that, see, this store has no certification, has no verification whatsoever. If you're my students, if you have gone through my tutoring, my training on any, even if you're my follower here on my subscriber here on YouTube, you would know that I usually tell you that if you want to buy a product like this, go for suppliers that are what? verified. There are verified supplier, certified supplier on 1688. Now you come onto the information page here, nothing. All we are seeing is that they have a repurchase rate of 38. Their service, some people can look at this 38 and say, okay, since you said repurchase rates and number of customers that have bought and are returning to repurchase, right? 38 is a good number. But guys, you would see that their service score, general service score, is 3.5. I will not buy a bag that is this good and I'm getting a general service score of 3.5. Oh no, I will not buy. That's not all. Guys, see this particular product they posted here. See this particular bag. Come down here to take a more detailed look at this bag. Does this bag look like a bag you buy from China? Even if you buy yourself, you buy Visa, go to China, will you buy this bag for 2,700 naira there? Is it making sense? No, of course it is not making sense at all. So please don't forfeit it. That's not all. Now let's go to their storefront. Let's click on here. Let's move over to their storefront. The reason I'm doing this is just so that you will be very, very alert when you're shopping on 1688. I charted this supplier and I'm going to be showing you our chart. Now they've been on here for just a year, because most times when I come on 1688, because they know I buy back, the algorithm will keep suggesting this particular page to me. I don't look twice because I know this is not a real page. Now, coming on here, guys, I want you to go search for reviews, because on that particular bag, that particular design of bag, we did not see any review. Remember, reviews are super important. It is so important for you to always go for sellers that have reviews, especially sellers that even have picture reviews of what you want to buy. Now we're going to click this way. Now coming down here, guys, you would see their review section. My network is a bit slow. Good, it's opening. Now when you scroll down, you would see review. Guys, on here we are seeing 1% review. Let me get my marker so I can mark it for you, so that you guys will see what I'm trying to show you. On this page, you can see that their general service is what, 3.5, which we've seen before, right? But on here they have 1-star review 1. They have this one 3. Can you see the reviews they have? They have 3.7, 0.7, 3, and then this. You're seeing all of that, right? Now see the funny part. Let me show you. When you now scroll, you want to read these reviews. Now you want to read reviews from this store. See what you will get. Wait for it to open. Guys, what are you seeing? You're seeing that they are now typing everything to be 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. How possible is that? How possible is that everything now is now turning to 5-star? You know, sometimes when people buy stuff, right, and they don't give review, automatically the system will assume that you're giving 5-star. And when people buy stuff and they give negative review, these people can actually delete those reviews. I'm very sure that people have tried to drop reviews and it has been deleted, because for here you cannot see even one review, even one bad review. Everything is saying, oh, this, the seller, let's screenshot this, and then let's go to our Google Translate and translate. So this is my Google Translate. This one said the user thought the product was excellent and gave 5. The user thought. Can you see? Excellent value for money, blah blah blah. Can you see? Now most of these are the user thoughts. They bought no review at all. Maybe some people that thought, okay, maybe we can try them, they bought. And funny part is that they are not selling anything less than 50. So that when they get you once, they don't get you, they don't chop you. They are not selling anything less than 50 pieces. I wanted to ask them if I can. I'll show you our chart in a bit. Now there's something else I want to show you there. The question you should be asking yourself is, why is it that when we click to see the reviews, we are seeing 5-star, 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 but when we come here we are seeing 3.5? It's not adding up. And then we are seeing people that gave, see, let's screenshot this interface. When you screenshot and you come here, you would see this. Read it yourself, please. Let me bolden it. It says comprehensive service 3.5, right? The score is based on what consulting service. They have 1 star, 1. Then logistic experience 3. Product experience, which is what we are interested in, product experience is 0.7. People are not satisfied at all. Product experience is what? 0.7. So you can pay these people and they will pack carbon paper bag for you as quality bags. It's not adding up. These people are not. It's 0.7. Product experience is less than 1 star rating. It is bad. So please don't come and start sending me this kind of thing. You yourself, use your eye and read. Use your eye and check. The price is not adding up. I went ahead to chat this seller because I just want to know, how are you guys doing this? I have to chat the seller, although I didn't go that deep. Let me just show you a message. I chatted them yesterday. I said, I want to buy bags. They said, how many? I said 20. Quite all right. I know that they don't sell anything below 50. And if you notice here, they have WhatsApp, they have WeChat. Nigerians, people love WhatsApp. You will not tell them, oh, we can continue on WhatsApp, because you see their WhatsApp. Once you go on WhatsApp and you make payments outside Alipay, you are outside the 1688 platform, you are gone. Because I can decide to, okay, try them, because I know I'm working with an agent that will help me open my parcel, right? I can decide to buy 50 and I pay them. Is it not 600 RMB? Because the design I said to them, they said it's only 50, 600 yuan. Just see, you're buying 50 bags for 600 yuan. I can decide to pay them this money, because when it gets to my agent's warehouse, my agent is going to open it and show me what's inside. Now, if my agent open it, I can return it. And then I can, use that method to complain and, report them to the 1688 customer representative. I will get my money back. That one is sure. I will get my money back. How about those of you that your agents don't usually open your parcel and all that, and everything is just shipped down to Nigeria? You're not just losing the money you used to buy this, you will equally pay money for shipping. So you're losing both sides. Please shine your eye on here. Most of these sellers are not selling what they post. If you want to buy Backup by Supplier, they have their main source at Lagos Island, their office, they are on Instagram. Chat them on, buy. They sell to wholesalers. They sell to wholesalers alone. They don't sell to retailers. So please be watchful, be mindful of suppliers like this. Go and lose your hard-earned money just because you want to import from China. And if you know me, that is why I have compiled for you all the 70 plus direct suppliers that you can close your eyes and buy from. Why? Because we have bought from them, we have tried, we have tested, and they have proven to be legit time and time again. We have compiled all of this 70 plus manufacturers that you can buy from. They can sell to you if you're buying from 2 upward. There are some that sell basically to wholesalers. You can buy from them. Okay, this compilation of suppliers, 70 plus suppliers, we have it in the form of a course, and in that course we have a video that will show you exactly how to buy, how to make payments with your bank card. We have contact of shipping companies, about 2 or 3 of them there that you can use. Trusted and legit shipping company. All of this is what you're getting for just 25k. We have suppliers of bags. If it's bag that is your problem, you are getting over 5 different suppliers of bag there. If it's clothes, shoes, kitchen items, household items, I mean rechargeable fans, anything, we have product there. 70 plus different products. Pay your 25,000 naira. The link will be down in the description of this video. Go buy that particular course for 25k. I mean, you won't have no business with this kind of people. 25k. Use it to save your hundreds of thousands or even millions. Don't fall victim to this kind of people. If you know you don't have the patience to source supplier, you don't know how to be sure that a supplier is legit or not, don't fall victim to these people. They will give you very cheap price, and you'll be busy pressing calculator. Oh, if I buy this at this price, when it comes down Nigeria, I'll sell it with 10 times the profit. My sister, my brother, do not fall victim to these people. Oh, all that glitters on 1688 is not gold though. A word is enough for the wise. You can go ahead and get our course right now and ensure you're sure that you're buying from the right source. Okay, that's that about this video. WhatsApp number will also be down in the description, and I'll try to leave it on the screen for you. You can send us a message. 25k will get you this particular course. I love you.